to the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted, but trust me, it's not as if I don't want to. It's just that life financially has been kicking my ass. So I've had to pick up little shifts on the weekend and whatnot, just to help pay the bills and stuff, just like everybody else, right? But anyway, so I was scrolling on Instagram and I came across this barburrito promotion. Now, I've never actually had barburrito before. I've heard mixed reviews already on it, but with this promotion, I figured $5.99 for a full burrito. I mean, I'm not sure what it normally would have cost. Maybe over $10 with these times right now. Financial times are hard, so I figured why not try it for $5.99, which is basically I think in half the price of what it would normally cost. Let's give it a shot, and yeah, man, let's see. I figured why not start back up some videos on the right foot like this, right? Anyway, stay tuned, follow me to barburrito, and hopefully they'll let me video inside. If not, then whatever, we'll do the review outside or back at my condo. All right, stay tuned. Bye. All right, guys, so I got the food, I got the burritos. Like I said, they're having a nice promotion over there. Basically, it's half price off regular burrito. And yeah. Oh, sorry, should have kept it. As you can tell, sitting in the background right there, the little floaty burrito guy. But yeah, man, if you're in Richmond Hill, guys, they're having promotion this weekend and next weekend. This one is at Woodbine and Highway 7. Definitely come check them out. I told them I do food reviews as well, and so they took down my YouTube and subscribe, which I appreciate. And yeah, man, just come by and show them some love. Alright, stay tuned. I got the food, guys. Alright, guys. We got the burritos. Ready to do that review. Let me see which one this is, because I'm not sure. But I like the packaging. I like the packaging. Where did you see? Ah, there we go. Alright, so this one is the beef. So yeah, I got two because what happened is that I realized for the price, that ain't bad. You know what I mean? For like a whole burrito that I think normally with taxes everything, maybe say $12. And right now they have a promotion going on, so it's $5.99. So say $6 something, not even $7. Two of them together, I figured, why not? And then I added guac on each for $1, which is kind of expensive, but it is what it is. So everything together was $15. So two regular burritos from barburritos, beef and spiced chicken, and yeah, ready to try them out. Like I said, I like the packaging. It's pretty cool. Never had barburrito before, or a burrito. Chill. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie. This is for $6, it's a pretty good size. Look at that. Pause. It's a pretty good size on that. Alright, here goes. Cheers. It's not bad. I'm not gonna lie, it's not bad. With this burrito, like I said, this one is the beef one. I got black beans. Hopefully you can see it. I got black beans, beef, obviously. I got rice, red onions, sorry, I was just trying to taste some more of the flavor, all the things that are in there. Yeah, so I got black beans, rice, beef, obviously, red onions, tomatoes, lettuce. I got some, I can't even remember the sauce, but I ain't gonna lie, guys, my first time, like I said, having a burrito. Any burrito I've had is actually more like a homemade burrito, which I don't think counts. So yeah, man, barburrito, the first time having it, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty good. I think next time I need to add some spice to it because I'm a spicy kind of guy. I like hot sauce. But anyway, like for $5.99, like this is a pretty good size burrito for $5.99. Like I said, financially times are hard right now. I don't know if you guys can actually see in there, but there you go, some beans, black beans. You also have some other kind of bean. I can't tell exactly what it is, but like I said, it tastes damn good, people. Yeah, man, have no complaints. Like, cheers to you, barburrito. Chill, really. All right, guys. Now, time to try the chicken. Like I said, the beef, I gave it a 9 out of 10. Time to try the chicken, spicy, crispy chicken, and basically everything that I got on the beef is what I got on the chicken as well. So, like I said, it's my first time there. I've never really had it before. So, all right, here's the chicken. Like I said, man, good portion size. Like, I wish they would just keep, like I said, good portion size. I wish they would keep, you know, that $5.99 for regular size. But I mean, everybody got to make money, right? But anyway, here goes. So hot, so fresh. It's good. Don't get me wrong, it's good. But when I go I was expecting some spice. But seasoning, flavors, everything on point. I definitely give this a 9 out of 10 again. Easily 9 out of 10. Like I said, man, for what you're getting for $5.99 right now for the deal, the promotion that they got going on, can't go wrong with this. Trust me. And like I said, it's my first time I'm actually having a burrito. I normally have tacos and stuff like that, but I never actually had a burrito. No, I'm gonna drop my Grace hot sauce on there, just to, you know, bring it up from that 9 to a 10. That's it. You know what? It's my fault. Next time I go there, I'm gonna add some jalapenos to it, and for sure I know it'll bring it from a 9 to a 10. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm loving this burrito. Very hearty, very filling. Got rice, like I said, a black bean, cheese, tomato, red onions, and all. And this is a spicy, crispy chicken. Not bad, bar burrito, not bad. Like I said, overall, 9 out of 10. I gotta go back there and try some other stuff. But like I said, guys, wherever it is a barburrito, you guys need to hit them up. Try their just try whatever they have, man. Like I said, I just had the beef. Now I'm doing the chicken, and so far both of them 9 out of 10. I think if I had the jalapenos to it, it would have definitely kick it up another point. But yeah, man, I'm gonna finish this off, and remember, like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. All right, have a good one.